going to demonstrate 4 things. But the first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to install a terminal server web access. And to do that, I'm going to go to my command, my server manager. Continue. Your roles. I'm going to click on the terminal services. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to add roles. Okay, right here is I'm going to install the web access. To do that, I'm going to click the TS web access. I'm going to click right here, the add, and click next, and next again, and then you click install, and then that's how you do that. Okay, now that has installed. We're going to close everything out on this one. And now we're going to go to the second server. Okay, now here on the second server, we're going to go to the internet. We're going to key in this. Okay. And this will be our username. Alright, now that is there. Now we are going to, now we're going to go to the remote desktop. And we're going to connect server to 800 by 600. Options, do not play, and on, then hit connect. I'm going to connect again, and this will be your administrator, your password. And then it will connect. Okay, now that I'm on the eternal server, so I'm going to log off of my partner's server. Now we go back to the main one. Now I want to open up this right here. This right here. Continue. The actions on the terminal server settings. In the remote session notes, I'm going to select this, and we'll hit OK. And now I'm going to close that manager. Now I'm going to return to the partner server, and you're going to log in as a student. Okay, now that I'm on my second server, I'm going to open up the Internet Explorer again. I'm going to try to connect it to the exact same things I did before. Yeah, okay button. Sign in. Okay, I want to click the remote desktop icon. Connect. Okay, now that I am logged on to my terminal server, and the way I can tell that is because it shows the server O2 up here at the top. Okay, so now I'm going to log back off of it because I just wanted to see if I could log back on, in which I could. So we'll log off of this. Exit out of this. I'm going to log off of this server itself. Okay, now I'm going to use the remote app with terminal server web access. Okay, now I'm going to do that. I'm going to go to my I'm going to go to my terminal server manager again. Okay, to add the remote app. Next, I'm going to click Server Manager, System Information, and WordPad. The properties. Okay. Hit Next. Hit Finish. And now these are all down here on the bottom. Okay, now I am back on my partner server. I'm going to open up the Internet Explorer yet again to see if it will work. Okay. Okay, now you can do that. Okay, so now I'm going to okay, okay, now that is how you do that.